Welcome back. Continuing the news. Mission for Vision. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a Jamaican-born pilot is seeking to light the spark that will guide Jamaica's children out of the dark. Amoy Harriet tells us more.
On a typical day, Captain Lisa Thomas would be in the air flying luxurious aircraft. But on this day, she was on the ground, specifically at the Guys Hill Primary School in St. Catherine. She's on a mission for vision. A number of students at the institution have been complaining about difficulty reading the whiteboards in their classrooms. Turns out, a lot of them have poor vision, and it's gone unaddressed for some time now.
On research, I realized that a lot of kids in Jamaica is actually not seeing the classroom board. This can be various reasons why. It can be genetic. It can be the classroom is too dark. Kids are not learning. If you can't see, you can't learn.
The students confirmed this.
I am very close to the board, but because the board has scrapes on it, it's hard. It's forming different letters, so it's very hard to see the writing.
Sometimes they say that they can't see the board, or like this type of color, I can't see it, and this and that. Sometimes I just tell them to move a little closer to the board or tell me.
If they're unable to see from a teaching perspective, it will affect their overall academic performance, because they won't be able to perform to their true potential. It will also affect their self-confidence, their ability to participate well in classes, and it might also affect how they behave in class, because if they're not coping, then they might act out in different ways.
Number 3.
And so, one lens at a time, Captain Thomas wants these students to see brighter, clearer days. Her personal childhood experience was the eye-opener.
I had a sight problem when I was young. It was detected at about age 15. Once I detected that problem, I was able to excel with whatever I had to do. I got my glasses, I went through, and I took off like a rocket.
And so she partnered with a local company who shares the same vision.
What gives us the drive to go on is when we see students deemed as underperformers, when we see those underperforming students switch to a 180 and start performing and excelling in class. Things like this help us. And, children are our future, and allowing children a fair chance at life through providing proper vision for them, that means the world.
But they can't do it alone.
I would like to go to possibly all primary schools in Jamaica with the help and support of all the corporate companies and all the people in Jamaica. So I'm actually taking on sponsors or supporters on board to help me throughout this program.
Without vision, then our society is blind, and our children are the future. So we need to ensure they're healthy, safe, and their vision is clean and pure. And if there's any problem, we can correct it at an early stage before it gets out of hand. And we don't want blindness. We can't correct that.
With your ray of hope, I'm Amoy Harriet.